Your GMC Sierra might look tough, but did you know it has built-in features that most owners never use? And ignoring them could lead to expensive breakdowns? Today, we're exposing the hidden features in your GMC Sierra that can actually save you thousands in repair bills if you use them the right way. Trust me, you'll want to stick around because number 7 alone could add years of life to your truck. Number 1, Tow Haul Mode, Transmission Saver. First up, the Tow Haul Mode. A lot of Sierra owners don't realize how important this button is. When you're pulling a trailer, hauling heavy loads, or even driving in steep terrain, Tow Haul Mode adjusts your transmission's shift points. Instead of hunting for gears, it holds them longer to reduce heat buildup. Transmission overheating is one of the most common failures in trucks, and fixing it can cost over $4,000. By simply using Tow Haul Mode when needed, you're literally protecting one of the most expensive components of your Sierra. Number 2, Grade Braking, Hidden Downhill Helper. Next is grade braking, a feature that most Sierra drivers don't even know exists. When driving downhill, the truck automatically downshifts to reduce strain on your brakes. This means less brake fade, cooler rotors, and longer brake life. It's a lifesaver if you're towing or live in a hilly area. Think about it. Brake jobs on a Sierra can cost $800 to $1,200. But this one hidden feature can extend your brake lifespan by years. Number 3, Automatic 4-Wheel Drive, Damage Prevention Mode. Most Sierra drivers think 4-wheel drive is only meant for snow or mud, but automatic 4-wheel drive is much smarter. Instead of being locked in full-time 4-wheel drive, Auto Mode monitors wheel slip and engages only when necessary. This prevents unnecessary wear on your drivetrain and saves fuel. If you're one of those owners who just leaves it in 2-wheel drive all the time, you're missing out on a feature designed to prevent axle and transfer case damage. Number 4, Battery Protection Mode, prevents getting stranded. Ever left your lights on by mistake? The Sierra's battery protection feature automatically shuts off power-hungry accessories before the battery drains completely. That means you won't come back to a dead truck. Considering a new Sierra battery costs $250 to $400 and getting stranded is even worse, this small hidden feature could literally save you from calling a tow truck. Number 5, Oil Life Monitoring System, but use it smartly. Your Sierra has an oil life monitoring system that calculates when you need an oil change based on driving conditions, not just mileage. But here's the trick. Don't always wait until it says 0%. The system is accurate, but oil quality depends on how hard you drive and your climate. Changing oil around 20 to 30% remaining keeps your engine cleaner and avoids sludge. Engine repairs on a Sierra? Easily over $7,000. A simple understanding of this feature can save you from disaster. Number 6, Cylinder Deactivation, a double-edged sword. Here's one most owners don't fully understand. Active fuel management, or cylinder deactivation. It helps save fuel by shutting down half the cylinders when cruising, but it can also cause lifter failure if oil changes are neglected. If you own a Sierra with AFM, use high-quality oil and consider a tuner that manages the system better. Neglecting this hidden feature has caused many Sierra engines to fail prematurely. Number 7, Trailer Brake Controller, protects your transmission and brakes. And finally, the Factory Trailer Brake Controller. Many Sierra owners spend money on aftermarket controllers, but the built-in one works seamlessly with the truck's electronics. It applies the trailer brakes in proportion with your truck brakes, preventing your transmission and brake system from overworking. If you tow regularly, this hidden feature can save you thousands in drivetrain and brake repairs. So there you have it, the hidden features in your GMC Sierra that could literally save you from breakdowns and thousands of dollars in repairs. Most owners never bother to use these, and then wonder why their Sierra wears out too fast. Which of these features have you been ignoring? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Car Care Expert, and hit the bell so you never miss a tip that could save your truck. Until next time, drive safe and take care of your Sierra the smart way.